So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. Let's start the NCERT question answer discussion. So यहाँ पे है कि the stress strain curve जो है it also exhibit hysteresis. तो आपने देखा होगा जो कर्व आता है स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन को सेम तरीके से आता है. So second will be correct over here. Next is area enclosed under stress strain curve represents, तो this is energy dissipated per unit volume. एनर्जी डेंसिटी होता है तो इसमें सेकंड आ जाएगा एनर्जी डिसिपेटेड पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. नेक्स्ट इज डायमैग्नेटिज्म इज यूनिवर्सल होता है, लगभग सारे ही सब्सटेंसेस डायमैग्नेटिक होते हैं, सेकंड आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट डायमैग्नेटिज्म इज इट इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल द मटेरियल, सेकंड आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट डायमैग्नेटिज्म इज जनरली वीक होता है, सो फर्स्ट आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट इज अ गिवन सब्सटेंस इज पैरामैग्नेटिक और फेरोमैग्नेटिक इज इजी टू डिटेक्ट और हार्ड टू डिटेक्ट. तो जनरली संभव नहीं होता, एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोसीजर्स चाहिए होते हैं उसके लिए. सो सेकंड आ जाएगा कि पैरा और फेरो में कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करें. तो क्योंकि बिहेवियर सेम सा ही होता है, सो वी नीड एक्सपेरिमेंटल structure to determine the quantitative analysis for that. Next is materials can be classified as dia, para, ferro, ferri, ento, ferro, spin glass. तो इसमें सभी टाइप के हो सकते हैं, तो all आ जाएगा. Next, the properties of ferrimagnetic, anti-ferromagnetic and spin glasses are they are both exotic and mysterious. So third आ जाएगा. So this is the line-to-line question answer session for the NCERT and NCERT physics, and the chapter is magnetism and matter. So the purpose behind this question answer session is to optimize your time and energy for this. So before working on this chapter, make sure that you have learned the basic mechanisms and you have studied well from your coaching, and this is just an optimization tool so that you can prepare NCERT in an effective way. So before going through this, make sure that you just take a reading of the NCERT book. Then this question answer session will be more effective, because here I have omitted calculations, because you can do those simply when you go through the chapter. This question answer session is just meant to make sure that you have prepared in an object oriented manner the NCERT itself. So question answers as per calculations are concerned, that's a different thing. The purpose behind this question answer session is to make sure that you have prepared NCERT in an object oriented and at microscopic and macroscopic level. So both of these things are covered over here, and I assume that you can solve numericals, you can do calculations because you have practiced that. This is my basic assumption. So do keep this thing in mind, because space is less, so calculations I'm not interested in solving questions over here, because that calculation type questions you can prepare differently. So this is the question answer session. This question answer session is meant to prepare NCERT and make sure that you know all the concepts, all the basic facts, basic informations, and all the relevant information related to NCERT, so that you don't need to read NCERT books again. So calculations you can do in a different way. We can have a different videos on that regarding the calculations, but this is just an optimization tool to prepare your NCERT. Thank you and have a nice day. I have tried my best to keep this question answer session error free. However, if there are certain errors, then you can make comments on the comment section and we can resolve your issues. Thank you and have a nice day.